Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So, we have a new group in this channel, and they are 21 Pilots with their new release called Shy Away. So, I really hope you enjoy this mix in this channel. We have everything from these new releases back to old goodies. And if you enjoy this, please leave a comment or thumb up, or even better, be a subscriber. It will really help me out. And yeah, leave comments and help me to form this channel in the way you wish. So, first off, we're gonna go through the different chords. We have 7 different chords. And then we're gonna look at the strumming pattern, because there is only one strumming pattern used through the whole song here. And then after that, I'm gonna show you the chord progression with only one down strum, so I don't need to demonstrate all these downs and up strokes. So I'm gonna demonstrate with only one downstroke. But first off, the different chords, and we don't need any capo here. So let's go. First chord is the F chord. So we need to bar the first fret here. And then we have A, 3rd fret, D string, 3rd fret, and G string, 2nd fret. So that's the F chord. Then we move on to the A minor, which is open A string, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Then G, 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, and I like the 3rd here on the B and the 3rd on E. Then E minor, open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, and open G, B, and E. Then we move to the C chord, which is the 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we're gonna play a variation of the G chord, which looks like this, and it's a G chord with a bass, which is the B here in the bass. So that is 2nd on the A string, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. And finally the D minor, which is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. That's the chords. And for the strumming pattern, it will be down, down, up, down, up. And I can demonstrate with an A minor. So it will be down, down, up, down, up. And the first down, I hit the bass strings here. And the second down, I hit the top strings. And then for the up, down, up, I play most top middle strings. So. And this is a kind of a punk rock song, so the tempo is pretty fast. It's a high tempo here. So try it slowly to get this pattern, this strumming pattern, and then you can speed up when you feel comfortable with the technique here. So down, down, up, down, up. So bass in the first down, and then top strings the rest. Yeah, so that's for the strumming pattern. Then let's move on to the chord progression. So for the verse, we have 2 F, so then we go to 1 A minor, and then to 1 G, and then to 2 E minor. And that's pretty much for the verse, because this song is divided into verse and then pre-chorus and then the chorus. So one more time for the verse. It will be 2 Fs. And remember, every downstroke I take, it represents one strumming pattern. So when it comes to the song, it will sound like this, a little bit slowly, so you can hear. Yeah, that's for the verse. Then we move on to the pre-chorus. Then it will be 1 C and 1 of these G, B, and 2 F, 1 A minor, 1 G, 2 E minor, 1 C, and 1 G, B as a bridge to the chorus. Notice that this is the first pre-chorus. The second pre-chorus, which I'm gonna show you pretty soon, has a different chord progression. So it's normally songs are pretty much built in the same way, but this pre-chorus doesn't really look like the second one. So one more time, I can show you how to play it with the down and ups, the strumming pattern here, a little bit slower. Yeah, so that's for the pre-chorus, and then the chorus looks the same, even the verses and the chorus, they look the same. So the chord progression here, it will be 2 F, 2 D minor, 2 A minor, 1 G, B, and 1 G, and 2 F again, 2 minor, D minor, 2 A minor, 1 G, B, and 1 G. So don't you shy away. So with the strumming pattern, it will be something like this. Yeah, so far so good. And then after this chorus, they have like this little middle play, which also works like a bridge into the second verse. And this middle play is a bit different because, yeah, since it's punk rock, it's really hard to like give you a pattern for how to play this. This is more on the feel. But I can show you the different chords here and the chord progression, and you will make it your own. I can show you how I would play it, so you can just copy that if you wish. But the middle play is A minor, G, C, G, A minor, A minor, E minor, E minor. So that's the first part. The second part will be A minor, G, E minor, E minor, C, C, and G, B, G, B. That's a lot of chords there. I can show you how I play it, and you can just listen and follow if you wish, and play the same strumming pattern or play it however you want. So it goes something like this. So one more time. Yeah, so you understand it's not that easy to give you a pattern here. So because it's kind of a melody built in the chords. Yeah, you can listen to the song and compare my version of it and do it to yeah, like you wish. So then comes the verse, and it's pretty much the same as the first verse. And then I need to show you the second pre-chorus, because that's like I told you before, differs a little bit from the first one. So for the second pre-chorus, it will be 1 C, 1 GB, 2 F, 2 D minors, 2 A minor, and 2 GB. So it will be something like this, a little bit slower. Sorry. And then on to the chorus, which is the same. Yeah, guys, that pretty much covers this song. So as I told you before, please leave a comment if you like to listen to these new songs, and if you like the mix here we have in this channel so far, leave a comment, or please be a subscriber and follow me on this journey. And guys, don't forget, you know it, play tuned.